You would have seen me cook in iron vessels, make dosa in iron tawa, and many of you keep asking me from where I have got my iron vessels. So today's episode is about how I season my iron kadai, my iron tawa, and also how to maintain them. Hi everyone, welcome to MasterChef Mom. You would have seen your mother and grandmother cook in iron vessels. It is the best way to get iron content into your body. Not only the food tastes good, but also it is very durable and the food does not get burnt very easily. Here are some of the must-haves in your kitchen. Pure Iron Kadai small, Pure Iron Kadai big, Cast Iron Kadai small. This is Cast Iron grill pan, Cast Iron dosa pan, Cast Iron pan, Pure Iron Kadai, Pure Iron chapati tawa, Pure Iron ladle, Cast Iron tawa, Pure Iron frying pan, Cast Iron apachatti, small size dosa tawa. So I use two types of iron vessels. One is the cast iron vessel and another is the pure iron vessel. First of all, both the cast iron and the pure iron vessels are very safe to use, and you can buy depending upon the budget you have in mind, and I have just listed a few of the basic differences between them for your easy reference. So this is the cast iron kadai. This is little heavier and this is the pure iron kadai. So both these kadais require seasoning and maintenance. First let's see how to season the cast iron kadai. Now that you have a new cast iron kadai, first step is washing the kadai. You can wash it with regular soap just like you wash your other vessels. Once you have washed it well using a scrubber, then we are going to clean it with water, and then we are going to wipe it with a cloth and then add a few drops of sesame oil, or you can even use coconut oil, and then we are going to place it on the gas and allow the kadai to heat up nicely, and you can start seeing the smoke. Once you start seeing the smoke, switch off the gas and then wipe the excess of oil using tissue, and once the kadai cools, again wash it with soap, and then we are going to rinse it off with water and then apply oil. We are going to repeat this for 2 times, and then the kadai is ready for cooking any dish. Now let's see how I'm going to cook, and I'm going to make a delicious quick paneer jalfrezi. So I've heated a pan with oil. I'm adding ginger garlic paste, onion, then colored bell peppers. Then fry it. Then add your paneer, soft cube paneer. Then I'm adding some kadai masala, salt. I'm just allowing the capsicum and paneer to fry for a few minutes, and our delicious looking paneer jalfrezi is now ready. I'm removing it to another container, transferring to another container. I'm going to show you how to clean the kadai after cooking. You can see the residue there. Add some hot water and gently scrub it using your ladle itself, and you will see that all the residue comes off easily. And then once the kadai cools down, we're going to wash it under the tap. Apply some soap and then going to scrub the kadai well. That's it. Your sparkling new cast iron kadai is now ready. Just wipe it with a cloth. Now I'm going to show you how to store it till the next use without it rusting. Apply some few drops of sesame oil or coconut oil and rub it with your tissue and then keep it in the cupboard. Now I'll show you how to season the pure iron kadai. Now for the pure iron kadai, actually I'm showing you a kadai which is brand new. It has a lot of rust as you can see. So first we are going to add some soap and scrub all the rust off. You can see how the brown residue is coming off. So scrub it well and then wash it under the water. Now first step, I'm adding the rock salt, and again we're going to rub it. As you can still see, there is the rust residue in the kadai. So in the Pure Iron Kadai, you will find these rust spots. But I'm adding some juice of lemon and using the peel only to scrub it nicely, rub the lemon juice. You can allow this actually to rest for some time, the salt and the lemon. But since I'm making the video, I'm showing you the steps. After washing off the salt, now I'm adding tamarind and adding hot water and allowing this to rest till the water cools down completely. And then I'm going to start scrubbing a little. So the Pure Iron Kadai requires little more washing than the Cast Iron Kadai, but once you do it, then it does not require much of maintenance. Now I'm going to show you how I cook in the Pure Iron Kadai. I've heated the oil and then I'm adding the colored bell peppers, paneer, the same steps as I made in the Cast Iron Kadai, and in the taste wise both taste yummy. Of course, the food cooked in Pure Iron Kadai little more tastier than that of the Cast Iron Kadai. As you can see, the work also in cleaning is a little more. So now for cleaning the kadai, same steps. Adding soap, then rinsing it under water, then wiping the kadai. Then we're going to add few drops of oil, rubbing it with the tissue paper and then storing it in a shelf where all the iron vessels are kept. Now I'm going to show you how to season the tawa. So follow the same steps as I showed you for the Cast Iron Kadai. The first step is always wash it with soap, and then once you wash that, you can wipe it with a cloth. Add few drops of sesame oil or coconut oil, rub it with a tissue, and then we are going to smoke the tawa. This is for the first time. Whenever you buy a cast iron tawa, this is the first time you make the tawa smoke, and then once it cools down, rub it and then wash it again. Repeat the same process for one more time, and then your tawa is ready to use. But if you are using the tawa, you're storing it in the way I am showing, this step is not required every time. Now I'm going to show you how to make the dosa in the cast iron tawa. So my tawa is really hot, and then I'm going to pour the dosa batter. You can cover and cook for the first few times. It helps the dosa to release from the tawa easily, and you see, beautiful dosa is now ready. And once you make the dosa, again follow the same steps of washing with soap, rinsing it under the water, then wiping it clean. See, we are wiping so that it is dry and no rust is formed. Just apply some sesame oil uniformly, not excess. Remove the excess using tissue and then store it in the shelf where all your iron vessels are stored. Now for the Pure Iron tawa, same as the Pure Iron Kadai, it requires little more work. Rub it with some rock salt and lemon juice. Allow it to stay for some time, scrub it well. Then we are going to add and soak it in some tamarind and water, and then wash it. And after making the dosa, for storing purposes, same, wash it with water, add some oil, and then keep it in your shelf till next use. When you're cooking in iron vessels, some vegetables like brinjal and raw banana, etc. change color. This is natural, and this is because of the high iron content in the iron vessel. Also, there are certain vegetables which you have to avoid cooking in the iron vessel, and I've listed them here.
I hope this video was very informative and useful. Do share it with your friends and family. In case you have any other doubts regarding iron vessels, feel free to comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions and queries. I'll see you soon with a very delicious recipe. Till then, happy cooking. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.